Python developers' salaries can vary depending on factors such as location, experience, education, and the specific industry or company. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, here's a general overview. Entry-level Python developer. In the United States, an entry-level Python developer might earn anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 per year on average. Salaries can be higher or lower based on the factors mentioned earlier. Mid-level Python developer. With a few years of experience, mid-level Python developers can earn salaries ranging from $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Senior Python developer. Senior Python developers with extensive experience and expertise can command salaries above $120,000, and in some cases, well into the six-figure range. If you enjoyed today's content and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more awesome content and tech-related videos. Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, we love hearing from you. Drop a comment below about your favorite part of today's video or any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.